Welcome back to Sartell Elementary's Samr Professional Development Plan. For those of you unable to attend the Samr overview and introduction, I have linked the video under Step 1 of the Samr Pd website. Please visit this before our meeting. As we move into Step 2, we are going to be relating our newfound love for Samr with the work we've done in regards to our standards. In the next 20 to 30 minutes, your group will pick a standard, create a poster showing examples of how you could reach or swim into the different levels of the Samr pool. Here are some examples of previous posters that have been made in regards to Samr. As you can see, there is one for each grade level, an example. Also included an art poster. So this obviously, as we've talked about, reaches across all grade levels and specialty areas. Now that our posters are completed, we are going to move on to step 3. Someone from your group is going to create a Google Doc to recreate the information from your poster. We are going to do this for a couple reasons. First, it's easier to read. I know how difficult my writing is to read, so I can imagine others is as well. Here's an example of what these documents might look like when completed. As you can see, it tells us the grade level, the standard that we are attempting to integrate technology with, and the different possibilities of levels that we could reach with some of our technology-based apps or projects. The second reason is it's easy to share. As you can see, you can share this document with others in your PLCs or grade levels or groups. And it will be a great way to share this information instead of having a paper pencil poster hanging in one location. Thirdly, it's easy to edit. This can become a living document where your PLC can add new technology integrated projects and ideas anytime, which is the idea behind Samr. And finally, it's a perfect example of Samr in action. You just took a paper pencil project and made it better, more accessible. Essentially, you just swam a little bit deeper. Finally, we move on to step 4. We will be uploading your finished projects. This will allow everyone to see who has jumped in the pool and demonstrated successful tech integration across the building. Here are some examples of finished products exemplifying different Samr levels. This here would be an example of using a Kahoot project for your Samr idea. Of course, you'd have to have a Samr login. If this were for the kids, we would just need the code. For 4th grade, they were thinking about using different levels of Samr for their wax museum projects, which are always a hit at our school. Here would be an example of maybe the modification or even redefinition level of their final project, a video that would show this particular student is dressed up as a baseball player, Roberto Clemente. So this would kind of be the compilation of all of the different things that went into his wax museum project. This would be a kindergarten project, a simple poplet showing different living or non-living things. In this case, we are talking about living things. So a simple poplet example. So as you can see, there's all types of different ways you can reach these levels. It's just kind of up to you. Remember, we all swim at different comfort levels. This isn't a race to the deep end, but an opportunity to gradually become comfortable moving forward. Use your flotation devices. I'm always available. Thank you for your time.